Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Dave from Oakos here. It's been a while since we made a video, but we're kicking off our channel. And you're gonna get to meet our team, see some of what we do here, and have some fun. But right now, we're going to pick up a 23 BRZ from Anthony over at Seller Subaru. We got a warehouse full of Subaru performance parts here, so we're gonna mod it, track it, and have some fun. I'm really excited for this car. Let's go. Yeah, I'm really excited to start modding our new BRZ. I had a 2013 and now fast forward 10 years and we're getting the new platform. And we're gonna showcase how to install the parts and hopefully get some info on lap times and how it can improve the laps. Was it? Yeah.
Did you come up here?
Yeah,
just
we were driving around and figured we'd just, come on up and check it out.
Yeah, we'll get you to sign everything and then
Okay.
I think go over some stuff in the chat.
Awesome, thanks.
Right at home. It's like an updated version of my last one. Needs an exhaust. Some wheels. Some brake pads, some tires. Some coilovers. Track time.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Yeah. Forgot how low you're sitting there. The SDI was, it's like sitting up a lot more. Yeah.
All right, so there's one signature date from you at the bottom, please.
We don't offer customer service anymore, but we did for about 10 years, but we still have a lift and equipment and, the bay, so we can do promotional type stuff and work on our own cars and have fun with it, so yeah. The last two Subarus I had, we had on the racetrack at less than 1,000 miles, so I don't know what the break-in is, but
Well,
we break them in, correctly. Yeah, exactly.
That's encouraging.
Yeah.
I mean, like, they can hold up then, right?
Yeah.
All right, so here's all your e-sign copies. I'll get you copies of the papers you signed in the beginning.
Okay.
And then which car did you want to put the 2000 on?
I found this card in a parking lot earlier.
Right on.
Yeah, hopefully it's still good.
Yeah, I don't think the owner cares how he gets his money as long as he gets his money.
Okay, yeah, sure.
I'll get this and be right back out.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah.
So I don't know.
Is it going to cause you a problem? Or?
I don't know.
I don't know, it cause you a problem.
I want to at least see a video of it too. Maybe do it, I don't know, on your way out or whatever works, or
Yeah.
at the shop or whatever.
That's partly why I wanted to come down last night. I was kind of like scoping up a lot, and go around that light pole. And
All right, take it.
Yeah.
Your copies, receipts,
Yeah.
everything's in there.
Thank you very much.
sir.
Yeah, my wife's gonna be really surprised. She thinks I'm coming home with an Outback.
Oh yeah, surprise.
Yeah. yeah, exactly. Just picking up the 23 BRZ. Time to have some fun. First drive in the 23 BRZ. Subscribe for more. All right, we're back at the shop with the new car. I'm loving this thing already. I gotta admit, those donuts are a little weak, but let's see if we can't do better. All right, that was a little better. We got a lot more videos planned, so subscribe if you want to see some more. Thanks for watching.